Hello my taste buddies. Today I'm excited to share one of my favorite pork recipes, crispy garlic pork. It's budget friendly, simple to make, and only requires 3 ingredients. First up is garlic. I used 2 smaller bulbs, but 1 larger bulb works just fine. Split the garlic into 2 halves. Crush 1 half with the skin still on. This will infuse the oil with extra flavor when we fry them later. For the other half, mince it and set it aside in a mixing bowl for the pork marinade. Next is the pork. I used about a pound of pork loin, but feel free to use any cut you prefer. I like a fattier cut for added moisture and tenderness. Cut the pork into 1-inch pieces and add them to the mixing bowl with the minced garlic. Season generously with about half a tablespoon of salt and mix well. Our third ingredient is cornstarch. Add enough to coat all sides of the pork. About 2 to 3 tablespoons should do the trick. Make sure every piece is coated thoroughly. For extra crunch, you can mix the cornstarch with panko breadcrumbs. But today we're sticking to just 3 ingredients. Now it's time to fry. Heat oil to medium heat and fry the garlic until golden, then set it aside. The key to perfectly juicy and crispy pork is double frying. First on medium heat to cook it through, then on high heat to crisp it up. You may need to fry in batches to avoid overcrowding and lowering the oil temperature. I cooked mine for about 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat and 3 minutes on high until they were golden brown. Sprinkle some pepper on top and that's it. You've got crispy golden nuggets that are sure to be a hit. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you'll give this a try. Until next time.